So today I'm doing another Project Monkey video, and I have a big surprise for y'all. So
we are moderators.
Yeah, I have some
Yeah.
yeah.
Also, yeah. I'm almost a moderator.
Yeah.
Why
He's the guy we just picked up off the street. Don't worry. Yay.
No, that's false. That's false news. That's false news.
Oh,
Pick this
sorry.
guy off the streets.
Oh,
I
yeah,
gave him my special stick.
Yeah.
He has a banana head.
Yeah.
Yeah, he has a banana hat.
So,
And a paper towels in his face.
what do y'all want to do first?
Canyons.
Canyon? Bet.
Or actually clouds. I haven't been to clouds in so long.
I'm planning on sitting down right now, so I don't know if that's a good idea.
Oh,
Chat.
oh crap.
Imagine flying in the big twin.
Crowds. We're in crowds. Oh, hello. Hello.
Hey, bro.
Oh, crap.
Tag me for $5. Tag me for $5.
Oh, I'm glitching. Oh, crap.
Wait a minute!
Oh, tag him now! I'm coming.
Huh?
Hey. Okay. So, what do y'all want to do? Wait, where are y'all? Oh, crap. Oh,
Bye.
hey, bro. Okay. You ready? I thought, why can't I tag you? No. Crap. Come on, kid.
I'm just like that.
Wait, since when did...
so bouncy?
Wait. This is the new... What happened to the other clouds? Like the one with the leaves.
It wasn't in this update. We're in a different update.
Hey. Oh no.
My milkshake brings to the boys to
Wait.
the yard.
Where is where is he?
What the heck? How'd you just teleport?
I don't know, I flew. Where is he?
I'll go back on. Cannonball.
Yep. I think he was like just roaming around. Oh, his VR, he was talking about how his VR was... Oh yeah, his VR probably died then. My milkshake bringing all the boys to the yard. They're like, it's better than yours. It's better than yours. Why is it so fun going up and down the stream thing? My milkshake bringing all the boys to the yard. They're like, it's better than yours. It's better than Oh crap. Where are you? What the hell, Leonte, is that? My milkshake bringing all the boys to the yard. They're like,
Hello?
is that a grandma?
Where'd you
I'm gonna go save Granny.
Where'd you go?
I'm dead. Hey. Wait. Does this have the war map to it? Does this have the war map?
Weave.
Yeah! Oh crap.
Nah, just wait. Just wait.
Oh crap, I glitched. I can't move. Oh no! Dodge. Oh! Oh, I'm glitching. Does this have the horror map to it? Oh crap. Does this have the horror map? Is this like game of the horror map or no?